Next trick we're going to do today is another one of my favorites. I know I got a lot of favorites, but this one's cool. It's called iron whip. You're actually taking the string with your hand and whipping the yo-yo in midair. It looks like this. It's a cool trick. You whip the string around the yo-yo like so. You can do it fast. If you do a little faster, sometimes it's a little harder to catch. You can also pinch the string and do it a little bit slower. See, a little bit slower motion. I'm going to teach you the general moves first, then you can decide how you want to do it. To do the iron whip, you start with a trapeze, like so. You take your throw hand, bring it into the string, just like so. Let me show you from here again. Make that loop open. You take your throw hand and you grab the string like so. You're actually going to pop the yo-yo out of the string on the inside. It's the side closest to your body. It pops up like so, and now you've got this loop of string that you grabbed. This is actually what you use to whip the yo-yo onto the string. So let me show you again. It looks like this. You grab the string, you pop it up, and then in one motion you're going to whip that around the yo-yo in midair. This takes a lot of practice. One thing that's good to practice is grab it with your hand and just practice whipping. You don't even have to be whipping the yo-yo, just practice getting that loop big, practice whipping, and then once you get the hang of that, you'll be able to pop the yo-yo up and whip it onto the string. Another thing to practice, when you whip, you want your hand to look like this. You want the string around your pointer finger and your pinky, like so. You aim with your thumb and pointer finger. When you whip it, if you aim towards the center of the gap, you're most likely going to hit the yo-yo. So like this, because what happens is the loop will come down. The loop comes down, and if you're aiming with your pointer and thumb, it's going to shoot across and hit the yo-yo like so, and whip it. So let me show you one more time at real speed. Looks like that. Just like that. That's iron whip. It's a cool trick, worth practicing.